What's up, guys? It is Titus. Today, we'll be looking at the market, Bitcoin, and just the markets and finding new altcoins. So, hope you guys had a good day so far. Good night. Let's get started. Alright, so Bitcoin, I cleaned up my chart a little bit. This is a good sign for Bitcoin. It's consolidating above the 40 level or 39 level, just above it. It's not going any further down than the 39 level at the moment. So this is going to lead to another thing like how it was down here. How it's consolidating down here. It's either going to go up or down. Last time it went down. Consolidate up here. Last time it went down. Consolidate down here a little bit. Went up. And now we're waiting to see, which most likely it's a pattern. It's the same pattern. They run the same pattern every time. Consolidate here. Go up. Consolidate here. Go down. Consolidate here. Go up. Consolidate here. Go down. So it'll most likely, most of the times it plays out to go down. If it goes up, consolidates and goes up, Bitcoin is bullish. Bitcoin is very, very bullish if it consolidates and goes up. Because for the past however long, I don't know, we haven't seen double consolidations and it go up twice. So consolidate. So it consolidate. Consolidate right here, went down. Consolidate right here, went down. Consolidate right here, went down. That's very bearish right there. This whole area is bearish. This one consolidate down here, went up. Consolidate down. Consolidate up. And if it's consolidate and it down, we're still trying to get to our run up, but it looks like it's resisting heavily at that 39. So if it consolidate and goes up, it'll be perfectly fine. Alright, now let's look for some. Well, I have a few coins for you guys. I told you I was going to do research on, and I found a few coins. Let's look at them. So I have what's it called? It's this one. Okay, let me see. The other one. The other one's I think it was this one. No, it wasn't this one. Gotta go back to it. One more. But this is one of them. What's the other coin? Ren was the other one. OGN was the other one. So I'm gonna just go over those three. I have several others that I would like to look at as well for you guys. But right now we're just gonna look at Liver Live Peer, Ren, OGN. Let's get started. Video. Hope you guys are having a good day, good morning, good night, wherever you are. Today, I have 3 potential 1000x, 100x coins that you guys may need to take a look at. Before we start the video, make sure you guys join the Discord down below. Become a part of the community. I need moderators. And let's get to it. Alright. First altcoin. We have Live Here. So the key to finding a great altcoin is, what is their circulating supply? What's their max supply? What's the supply on the coin? Is it a very scarce supply, or is it a wide variety? You want it to have a somewhat scarce supply of coins. Somewhat. That's one thing that goes into it. Second thing, this is just looking at a coin as well. The second thing is this market cap. Is it market cap overvalued, or is it undervalued? You want to find the market cap that is most of the times undervalued. You don't want to get into coins that have a 2 billion or 5 billion market cap and they're at 5 cents. The growth wouldn't really be there. It might go to 10 cents, it might go to like 25, but it needs room to grow. It has a market cap towards 50 million to 600 million. Those are the nice ranges. You can go a little bit above, you can go a little bit below, but those are the nice ranges to find those good altcoins in terms of market cap. Another thing is this trading volume. Right here, you need to see, is there people actually in it? That determines how volatile the charts will be. How heavy. So if you have $1 and there's only $10 trading within a 24-hour trading volume, $1 will move the market 10%. So you want to find something with at least $1 million in trading volume. At least. If you want to go any riskier, that's on you. This is my personal opinion on everything and my educational stance on how I find altcoins. So those are the first three things you look at just by looking at the coin, not any other thing behind it. Now the second thing, you look at what else was it? You look at the site. You go to what is the site is, figure out what they're about, and then search their team. Do they have a team? You need to figure out where their team is, what they're doing, how everything's operating. If they don't have a team, that's one flag. That's a warning flag. Because you want to see a team. You have to see who's behind this project and how many people they have working on this to make it seem like they're actually doing something. These two can flip around if you want, but another thing is use case. What is their use case? Why do we need this coin in crypto? So for this coin, livepeer.org is primarily an online source for participants using of the livepeer network. Throughout the power of open source software, the harnessing of underutilized resources like compute and bandwidth, and the use of crypto economic incentives for bootstrapping and participation, there is an opportunity to deliver an infrastructure that can power video streaming applications at a highly efficient price and infinite scale. So that's a good thing to know. It's built with a public network, so it's decentralized. No single company or individual controls the livepeer network. Build video apps that connect directly with your audience. Low cost crypto payments for transcoding in the lowest possible cost. Flexible and control of using an OSS stack. Build with a hosted service, easy to use, straightforward APIs without the complexities of crypto. Our blockchain, powered by the public network. Okay, so this is good, but like I said, you gotta look out. You need to see a team. I want to see a team. When I look for coins, I want to see who's behind the project, who's running it, who's the head of this. Maybe with a little bit more research, you can figure out who is behind this. But they should just be upfront with it and just post a section for team. So for Liverpeer, I'll give them a 6 out of 10. The only reason I give them a 6 is because the max supply is 24 million, basically. Basically the same as Bitcoin and their growth. They're slowly growing. But not too long ago, they were just at $44. Now they're at 26. But they took a hit on 23rd of May when the market dipped 13 cents, shot right back up. So that's a good thing. Scarcity market cap, so they have room to grow. They don't. And another thing to look out for as well, these low market cap coins, like when you get lower down into the underneath the 50s, the $50 million market caps, those coins are very risky because it can be very easy for a group of whales to put a project together and put $5 million into something. So just be aware of that, guys. And if you do invest anything less than like 50 million, that's at your own risk. All right, the next one I have. The next one is Ren. Ren has a 408 market cap, max supply 1 billion. So the max supply, it's not necessarily a warning flag, because if you think about it, in this aspect, there are 7.8 billion people in the world, and there's only 1 billion of these coins. Not everybody in the world can have one of these coins. So there's still scarcity in a way. The only thing, and another thing for this one, is it has good trading volume. It's good trading volume. Like to see 56 million. That's good. Market cap 408. Price for isn't too out of pocket. So this is a good one that I would definitely look more into, see if I can get in contact with the team. But this one right here's a good one. You take a glance at this, and I'll do several videos on these as well, so you guys can have more understand. Okay. Liquidity Unchained, introducing Ren VM, an open protocol providing inter-blockchain liquidity for all decentralized applications. Ren BTC, Bitcoin Cash, Zcash, and more your Ethereum app. Okay, so it provides liquidity for all apps. That's good. That's very good, because we are definitely going to need that when those major sell-offs come. They got some good backers or good people to look out. That's it for Ren. Let's go for the next one, the next and last. OGN. They have a $218 million market cap, 96 million trading volume. Max supply is 1 billion. Circulating supply is 211 million. Circulating supply. Okay. Did I show you guys a team for this one? They didn't have a team on here, a team section. Yeah, I need to see the team section. And another thing you guys could do is check the social medias, check Twitter, check all that to see if they're active. If they posted like 2-3 weeks ago, then they need to get a marketing person, because that's not gonna hang. Okay, origin. Let's watch the video real quick. Like to see that. We like to see it. Okay. Calm down. All right, so let's look at the team. Actually, let's see what they're about first. Origin Protocol is bringing NFTs and DeFi to the masses. Okay, Origin is fully distributed team with our 800 plus investors, include top venture capitalists and cryptocurrency funds all over the world. OGN are held by over 37,000 token holders. Okay, lower fees, centralized platforms. So they're a mix in between centralized, decentralized. For music and art, often change incredibly high fees, leaving the creators with small fraction of the value generated and causing consumers to overpay for goods and experiences. Traditional payment processors also charge significant fees. Decentralized commerce reduces the power of middlemen and their ability to charge rigorous fees. Both buyers and sellers can share in the savings with OUSD. Origin provides a alternative to high cost payment rails. Coordinating people and businesses can reduce costs and benefit from superior yields provided by. Okay, that's cool. Better incentives. If you guys want to read more about this, you guys can. Here's a few magazines it was on. And remember, guys, it's very easy for you to pay to be on a magazine. No shade. No shade at anybody that's just saying, like, being on a magazine doesn't really mean anything. Because it's not hard to pay to be on them. Got their social medias, okay. That's good, that's good. Site looks good. Seems like it got everything set up well. Let's check out the team. Our world-class team is led by entrepreneurs and engineers from iconic tech companies. Started coding at age 10. Prior to Origin, he co-founded three of the venture-backed companies. Excuse me. So they got a team. It's great to see. This is great to see, guys. The OGN. This is great. That's great. OGN looks pretty underrated right now. Market cap 218. Price wise, they look underrated. It is high as $3.10. That was how long ago? April 8th. Yeah, they still got a lot of growth. A lot. OGN is a good one. If you guys want to check it out yourselves. Okay, so they got a false market cap one. CoinGecko update his stuff, man. Okay, market cap is 323 million. It's still same range, but they got the team and the experience. The team has experience, not necessarily in blockchain, but growing companies. Paid their work. Well, this, I don't know if he's a CEO or founder, but he's a founder of YouTube. So that just goes to say right there, like, and then he worked with somebody from PayPal. They got a good team, so they understand what they need to do to scale. I think the only thing they might need to work on is the marketing. But if you're a good project, you don't really need to market because eventually the people will come to you. People can tell when you have a good project. If you have a good project, you will get people to invest into you. Okay, so they lock tokens and they have it consistently updated. OUSD. Stake OGN. See what their APY looking like. Sorry if my was called disconnected, but let's see what their interest back. For a whole year, you get 25% back. You stake for 365 days. That's nice. That's nice. Ain't even lie. So if you would have put $1,000,000 in there, you'd come out with $250,000. That's pretty nice. So that would be it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share the video with friends and family, and see y'all next one. Peace. All right, so as you guys know, OGN is probably my number one out of these three right now. After that one, I'll probably pick Ren. Even though they got like supplies of 1 billion, max supplies of 1 billion, it's still not that much. Live up here, I need to see their team. But OGN, guys need to pay attention to that one. The only thing that I would say about OGN that's kind of iffy, they haven't really survived the dip. I mean, I guess you could say the recent dip, but that wasn't like the 2018, 2017, those dips, the 90% dips, coins losing their businesses, projects losing money. Like, I want to see them survive those types of dips. But they got some good investors. It's nice to see. It's nice to see teams coming together and getting good things. Let's look at other stuff as well. Other coins. $21 million. Ontology. INJ. MCO. I don't even know. Do they even use this anymore? Like, what do they even? Like, you could invest in this, like, put $14, and just because, like, the supply, max supply. Market cap 180 million. So I wonder what they use this coin for. Like, what do you do with the coin? The Monaco cryptocurrency is a payment platform rebranded itself as crypto. It offers blockchain-based debit cards and mobile wallet applications. It is essentially a token for blockchain-based payment app. Trades on the center. Rafael Melo, the CFO and co-founder of Crypto.com, and from the range of product. So what is this one used for? So, oh, is it the network that Crypto.com runs on? It powers that? When it comes to MCO network security, Crypto.com secured $100 million direct insurance policy through a syndicate. Seems like something from the Tom Cruise movie or something. It's a self-organizing group of individual, company, corporation, or entities formed to transact some specific business to pursue, promote. Okay, guys, that was. So I guess it just runs that. Or did 88 drop? It didn't drop that far. I'm ready for 88 to come out with the smart contracts. But don't rush it though. I don't want to have nothing messed up. I understand that. I definitely understand that. I don't have any of my stuff messed up. ICP, let's go. Did you guys have your limit orders for ICP? Because I did. I definitely had mines. Man, I'm happy. Caught me some ICP. That boy looking nice to me. Alright, so make sure you guys get some ICP. Not financial advice, my personal opinion. If you want to look into it, go ahead. If you don't, you don't have to. Trias. Let's see what Trias is at. I got a few limits for that. Trias. Trias been at that 650 for a minute. They've been consolidating at the 650. Cause I know they was at $5 for a minute. Tries is still a good buy though. Undervalued. I told you guys, Tries is guaranteed to go to $1,000 sooner or later. They get working on some real world stuff, getting their stuff in, getting the autonomy working, and they get it rolling. We need to see it getting moving. Autonomy is gonna be a huge sector, booming within 10 years. I guarantee you, everything's gonna be autonomy. All these at Mickey D's and robots gonna be making burgers so nice you won't even know it's robots. I'm telling you guys. So make sure you guys share the video, family. Come back to the live stream, comment what coins you want me to look at, and we will do that. I didn't know my camera's out. Sorry, y'all. That's my fault. My fault. I didn't peek cameras out. But make sure y'all make y'all get into some triads, cause triads need to get their what's it called going. Everything else look pretty good. Alright, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Comment what coins you want me to look at next. See if I'm gonna give you guys a test. Do the strategy that I told you on how to find a good coin and send me a coin, or comment a coin that you found after doing the strategy. So market cap, volume, scarcity, team, that's second, team, and use case. 5 things. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning, and I'll probably stream earlier. Peace.